Hi, I'm going to show you how to install Alpha Glass on your phone. A quick note, if you also plan to protect your phone with a case, install your Alpha Glass first. Let's get Alpha Glass installed. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your touchscreen with the included alcohol wipe. Then, dry it with the included microfiber cloth. This is an important step to ensure there is no dust or skin oil on your screen that would prevent the glass from sticking. Grab the install guides and slide them firmly onto the top and bottom of your phone. The guides are identical, so it doesn't matter which is top and which is bottom. Gently lift the screen protector from the tray and hold it along the edges as you peel off the protective film. Place your phone on a flat surface and align the glass between the guides and side to side. Gently lower the glass onto your touchscreen, pressing all around and along the edges to set the adhesive. Pull off the alignment guides and press around the edges again to completely seal against your touchscreen. That's it! Your touchscreen is protected and you're ready to install an OtterBox case. Should your first attempt not work out well, you can remove and reposition the glass with the guides. Be careful not to get any dust or debris along the adhesive edges when you reapply.